Since Utah Tech University moved into the Western Athletic Conference and NCAA Division I competition, they've had to up their game. With a 2-9 win-loss record in the division play in 2023, the Trailblazers announced the hiring of Lance Anderson as the new head football coach. He replaces Paul Peterson, who led the program's transition over the past 5 seasons.
I feel remiss if I did not also thank Coach Paul Peterson for his work in getting this football program to where it's at. So this time I'd like to announce the new head football coach at Utah Tech University and his wife, Lance and Sherry Anderson.
Anderson, who comes from Idaho, has worked as an assistant coach at Stanford University and recently had a short stint at Boise State.
I look forward to building a football program that's going to be tough. It's going to be physical. It's going to be a group of young men who give their best effort. Anytime there's something that you truly love, you put your best effort, you put as much work into it as you have to be successful. And that's what I want to be surrounded with. A group of players, a group of coaches who love football and who are willing to do whatever it takes to be successful.
The change was a quick turnaround in order to prepare for the upcoming 2024 recruitment season.
And I've been so impressed with the level of football in the state of Utah. The student athletes that are here, the kind of high school football coaches. I know that you can get great kids out of the state of Utah. But we're also lucky here to be only a couple hours away from Las Vegas. A lot of great football players in that area. We're a short drive from the Phoenix area. We're a short drive from Southern California. We play in a conference that is stretched throughout the South, across the state of Texas. And I really want to focus on these areas that are close, that are drivable, that we can, attract top student athletes from.
Recruitment is crucial over the next few weeks and months as the Trailblazers head into the next level.
The general recruiting period will be hitting in January, and National Signing Day for football is the first Wednesday in February. So head coach wants to get in as soon as possible, get his staff set, ready to go so they can hit the recruiting trail and be able to identify the needs that they're going to need to fill going into the 24 seasons.
I've been around so many great coaches, so many winning programs, and now I feel like, hey, here's my opportunity to implement that at Utah Tech, a program that I think has a ton of potential, a program that's in its infancy at the Division I level, and I'm really excited about what we can accomplish here.
He says he's looking forward to serving as the head coach for the Trailblazers and plans to hit the ground running.
It's almost like drinking through that fire hose where you're putting your staff together, you're putting your team together, there's recruiting, and it's all happening simultaneously. So again, as soon as I walk out of here today, I'm excited to get out there and address those needs and get to work to build a great coaching staff and assemble a great roster.
The 24 season, which is our first full season as a full Division I FCS counter after 4 years of transition. This upcoming season will be the first year that we'll be eligible for NCAA postseason play.
From Utah Tech University, Melissa Anderson, Community Education News.